Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got the KEF Q350s hooked up and been playing them for a little bit, and they sound good. I like them. Take a while for them to break in. Pretty nice imaging. Sound stage is good. They're not too bright, kind of warm. Bass is decent. For you expect for a 6.5 inch. Mid bass, 1 inch aluminum dome tweeter with the waveguide. Just a square box, but looks pretty nice. I mean, the quality is not the best, but for $500, you can't beat them. Now, they better built than those Tenoys that I had here hooked up a couple weeks ago. No, I think the Tenoys were better built by far, but it's a different sound. Anyways, I want to do a quick demo, and let's give them a try, guys. Here we go. I'm going to play from the album Nameless, Dominique Phyllis, and it's called Strange Fruit. There we go.
Southern trees bear strange fruit, brown the leaves, blood at the root, black bodies swinging in the southern breeze, strange fruit hanging from the poplar tree, pastoral scene of the gallant sound, the bulging eyes and the twisted mouths, Santa Magnolia, so sweet and fresh. Then the sudden smell of burning flesh. Here is a fruit for the crows to pluck, for the rain to gather, for the wind to suck, for the sun, for the sun to, for the trees to draw, the trees to draw. Strange and bitter.
Well, there you go, guys. That was a quick demo. They haven't been broken in yet. The good thing about these speakers is that they have the tweeter sitting in the middle of the mid bass, concentric driver, or KEF calls it UniQ. it's great because you really don't have to tilt them in. Since the tweeter sits in the middle, it just fills in the room. So that's a good thing about the speakers that I like. Um, I guess I'll give them a try. You know, bring them in for a little bit. I always did like KEF, and I like their products. Those LS50 were just really good, amazing. So let's give these a try. I mean, figure that these are $500 and the LS50 are $1,600. So that's a big difference. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you guys think. Have a good day.